Hey everybody, I'm Jer. Welcome to my channel. I was looking at this stock and I had done a DD report video showing how to do a DD report, how to research a company before you invest or trade or swing a stock in any company. And this was the one I used as an example, not thinking I was going to find anything great about it. I just wanted to be able to have an example. Well, the more I look at it, the more I think this thing has the potential to really explode up even further than what it was doing on Friday this last week. It went up like 90% or something like that, and then went up even further after hours. The stock is SigmaTron. Its ticker symbol SGMA. I went ahead and wrote up a DD report for it. You can find that DD report on stockvoyager.com/SGMADD. This video also can be found on stocks.yt. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Today's date is December 12th. Okay, so history for the company. They have 25 plus years of printed circuit board manufacturing and completely assembled electronic products. So more than a 25-year history, which is awesome. That means that they are developed. They are a low float company, and they have remained a low float company ever since they went public in 1994. The company has maintained a significantly low float since going public in 1994. I believe right now it's like 4 million, maybe a little bit more than that. Stock price action, year to date, they are up 223%. The range for the year is 361 to 1515. Their all-time high is 3278, and that was in 2003. They are acquiring Wags, which is a dog collar technology company. That basically, it's not a shot collar. It's a collar that like kind of tracks your dog and keeps him or her within a range, and you can kind of monitor where they're at. It's kind of a location collar. This collar is also like, what I was seeing online was that it was you could get a monthly subscription. You pay a certain price for the collar, and then people who want this collar can get a monthly or yearly subscription to be able to like do different things with this collar and with your dog. Okay, so SigmaTron is acquiring this company for 1,546,592 shares. The deal is expected to close before end of 2021. This will leave shares outstanding still below 6 million total shares. Now, this is the part that caught my eye that makes me feel like SigmaTron could really go crazy really soon. Revenue up until this last year wasn't amazing. Profit wasn't amazing, and that is why they have never really caught steam. You can look at their history and see they've caught steam at different points, but I'm guessing revenue fell off or something happened or they never had revenue. I'm not for sure exactly what caused those spikes, but you look at revenue now and I am just blown away. Okay, so market cap. They are sitting at $64 million, which is the value of the company based on the amount of shares available and share price. Combined revenue for the last 4 quarters is $333,486,614. Combined net income for the last 4 quarters is $13,769,475. Their revenue multiple is 0.19. That's including this most recent increase to their market cap and their share price, which, like I said, on Friday was up like 90 something %. So that's with that. So before then, they were even lower than this. 0.19 times revenue is their revenue multiple. That is extremely, extremely, extremely low. There are a lot of companies that trade at like 20 times their revenue, which means that the company is worth 20 times based on stock price. 20, like they're trading at 20 times what the company made in revenue, not profit, revenue for the year. 0.19 is extremely low, extremely low. I can't overstate that. 0.19 is what they're trading at. So, like, they're trading as if they will make like 20% of what they made in the last year going forward, that's what their company is worth. What? Okay, so they're trading at 4.64 times their net income. 4.64 times their net income. So usually I can't even do the net income revenue or multiple, because the company that's trading at 20 times revenue isn't making profit. So they have no net. So you can't, it's negative something. This is in the positive, which is amazing. So with all that being said, I feel like, me personally, I'm not your financial advisor, so I'm not telling you to buy. I'm just saying where I see this thing could go personally myself. And I see them going to 225 million, probably pretty easily, actually. Market cap. That's the market cap target. After this merger, after the merger is done, at the end of the year, whatever, and once there's 6 million shares, there's not 6 million shares yet. Once there's this 6 million shares, right around 6 million shares, I say that the target price would be $37.50. Before then, target price is higher than that because there's less shares. For this thing to be trading, I believe it was, let's actually go take a look. For this thing to be trading at 17.26 is wild. It closed at 14.94. After hours, it made it to 17.26. To me, that is just extremely wild. So I got these numbers from google.com/finance. It doesn't have their most recent quarter. So whenever I was doing the DD report and showing how to do a DD report and how to do DD research, I was going off of these numbers because I didn't see the most recent quarter. But if you go to Globe News Wire, it actually has the most recent earnings report from the most recent earnings call, which was on Friday, I believe. And it shows you what they did for this most recent quarter ended October 31st. And it has those numbers. So I'm getting the revenue number and the income number off of this report. Okay. So yes, in my opinion, this thing could still blow up further. In my personal opinion, I feel like a reasonable after merger target price is $37.50 a share, with a market cap target of 225 million. I wouldn't be surprised if it even goes up higher than that, but that's what, on a conservative side, I put this company at. Trading at 0.19 times revenue is just wow. It's like really, that's really, really low revenue multiple. Usually it's much higher, at least closer to like 1 times revenue. And this 225 market cap target puts it even still below the 1 times revenue. So again, this is just my opinion. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I can see this actually going much higher and exploding even higher up from here. So definitely a stock to consider. Again, you can see this report. I put it in on stockvoyager.com. I'm also going to share it on my Twitter in just a minute, which is at Jer_Johns. So you can find this report here on there. Yeah, that's all I have. I hope you have a profitable green day, and I will see you all very soon. Love ya. Bye. Mwah.